Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to update Instagram account to the newest version. So sometimes our Instagram might have just updated their version and we did not update that yet. So for that, all we need to do is just to head over to the Play Store and click on the search option and search for Instagram. Once you search it, just head over to the option of Instagram and there will be two options right here. One is uninstall and the other one is update if there is an update available. And if there is no update available, then there will be this sort of interface, uninstall and open. So all you need to do is just to click on the update option right here that will arrive on your screen or layout. And yeah, that's how just update it, download it and just install it on your phone and it will be done automatically. You just don't need to do anything. Just click on the update button and just have patience. And yeah, this is how you can just update your Instagram account to the newest version. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next one.